My name is Chris Williams. I am the author and creator of Balance University. It is Fall Prevention Awareness Week. So with that, I wanted to release a short video, guys. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fall-proof your home. 5 easy steps. Here we go. First thing you're going to do is pick up throw rugs. I know people don't like to do that because of they're decorating their home. It matches their furniture. I get it, guys, but listen. If you're 80 years old, you experience a fall, you break a bone, your chances of survival are 50%. It's not worth it. You can find mats, rugs that are very flat that will do the job. But if you're at risk for a fall, you've experienced a fall, let's get those throw rugs, those mats, objects in heavy traffic areas. Let's make sure those traffic areas, they're clear pathways, okay? Be diligent. Number 2, let's organize all those cords and cables to the TVs, the lights, the computers, the charging cables for the phones, for the tablets, the iPads, guys. Make sure those are wrapped up, put away, tucked away. That's another easy, quick tip. Number 3, your lighting. Lighting is key, especially when you go to new areas. Make sure in your home you have the appropriate lighting, and we're going to come back to this again, but I want to make sure as nightfall comes, you turn down lights, you turn off lights. Just make sure that you are familiar with those pathways that you travel most at night and they're well lit. Number 4, the bathroom. Now, as we get older, things change in the brain. We close our eyes. It's much difficult to maintain your balance with your eyes closed. If you don't believe me, go to the counter, put your hands there, stand on one foot, eyes open 10 seconds, then close your eyes. Very difficult. The reason why I'm talking about closing your eyes is the shower. Got to be careful. Don't have an ego about this. If you have trouble balancing and you have confidence issues, you're not sure about your balance, get a shower stool. It's simple, it's easy, you can hide it if you're embarrassed about it, whatever the case may be. Get a shower stool. Make sure you have handrails, guardrails. Don't push off that toilet paper roller to help you stand up from the toilet seat. It's a bad deal. I've seen it lead to death after someone pushed on it, they fell, broke their shoulder, hip, it's a whole thing. So make sure the bathroom, your rugs, they're non-slip rugs, they're non-slip mats in the shower. Keep you safe, okay? And the handrails, always screw in, drill in, guys. I'm not a fan of the suction cup. There may be some instances that I'm unaware of that they will work or suffice, but if it's me and my family, I'm drilling and I'm getting those handrails professionally installed. If I can do it yourself, you're one of those people, make sure you're doing it right and get those installed. Screwing in and having them steady and rigid is always best. Tip number 5, we're going into the bedroom, guys, specifically the bathroom. Now, getting in the shower, make sure you have a non-slip mat in there and a non-slip rug that's right next to it. I wanted you to make it as easy as possible getting in and out of the bathtub. If you have one of those partitions there, guys, that you have to step over, let's make that as easy as possible. If that means drilling in a handrail, then do it. Your life is worth it, I promise. Now, in the shower, washing your hair, closing your eyes, gets really difficult to keep your balance. Get a shower stool. Don't have an ego about it. You can hide it if you need to, if that's what you're worried about, but don't risk it. I have seen in my career, in my practice, people falling in the shower, causing great damage and great harm to them. It shortened their life. It's not worth it. I do want to make sure that you're able to get in and out as easy as possible. So if you need a handrail, put you a handrail where it's necessary. We're going to number 5, light the way. What do I mean by that? We're revisiting here. I want you to have a nightlight somewhere along your path, especially those of us who have animals, cats, dogs, or whatever. You know, people are getting wild with their animals. That's fine. That's your business. I ain't got nothing wrong with that. Not judging. So make sure that you're able to see. It becomes more and more important the older we get. Vision plays such a huge role in our balance. Not only that, you want to make sure the pathway is clear. So if you have dirty clothes or something from the night before, maybe it was a long night or you had guests or companies, just make sure that pathway is clear from the bedroom to the bathroom. I've learned as I've gotten older, getting harder and harder to make it through the night without having to get up and go to the restroom. Let me leave you with the tip. It's called the 3-second rule. We've got a video on the channel, on the Rumble channel, YouTube channel. It's called the 3-second rule. Let me tell you what it is quickly. Anytime you stand from a seated position, your blood pressure drops. Sometimes it's worse than others. Sometimes it can even cause you to get lightheaded. You see little sparkles in your eyes. That's your blood pressure. Here's what I want you to do. When you wake up at night, sit up in bed, count to 3. Swing your feet around, let your feet hit the floor. It's important that the bottoms of your feet, you have those mechanoreceptors there. They need to hit the floor and register with the brain that, hey, my feet are on the floor. I'm getting ready to get up. Count to 3. Then stand with your legs against your bed. You know, your lower leg, you can leave that against the bed. Stand nice and tall. Count to 3. This is going to give your blood pressure a chance to regulate, and then proceed along that nice, lit walkway to the restroom, okay? Guys, this is how you fall-proof your home. If you want to download a checklist, go to mybalanceuniversity.com. We have a checklist on how to fall-proof your home from the National Council on Aging, whom we are a partner of their initiative there. So make sure you get that information, fall-proof your home, and check back tomorrow. We're going to have another good tip on 4 of the best exercises to keep you safe and keep you from experiencing an unintended fall. Don't forget, go to mybalanceuniversity.com. There you can download the checklist I was talking about. Guys, scroll down the page. We have a link to supplement page if you have joint issues. If you take multivitamins, check this company out. I highly recommend them. They offer a money-back guarantee. Scroll down a little further, you're going to find our Rumble and our YouTube channels. Check that out. We have a fall prevention homework series, 2 exercises in 2 minutes. This is something you can do every day or every other day that will keep you safe and keep you from experiencing an unintended fall. My name is Chris Williams, author, creator of Balance University and the Graduates Program. See you soon.